Cleaning and properly maintaining your AEG Rotary Dial Oven is essential to keeping it operating efficiently, increasing the life of the appliance and ensuring that your food tastes delicious. To help make cleaning easier, some rotary ovens will have innovative self-cleaning technology, and depending on your model, this will either be a pyrolytic cleaning function or catalytic liners. If you are unsure which your oven has, it can be identified by either this trim here, which means it is a pyrolytic, or porous lining like this, which is catalytic. Here, we'll summarise the different technologies, as well as give you guidance on how to keep the oven and accessories sparkling. Pyrolytic cleaning is a specialist self-cleaning cycle where the oven will reach temperatures of around 500 degrees centigrade, reducing all stubborn dirt, grease and food residue to ash. To start the clean, remove all oven accessories, including the shelf supports, which are removed like this, and give the oven a quick wipe down with warm water and a soft cloth. Enter the cleaning menu and choose the program based on how deep a clean is required. Press OK to begin. The light will remain off during the cycle and the door will lock to ensure safety. However, make sure the room is well ventilated and that children and pets are kept away from the appliance. Once complete, turn the oven off. The door will remain locked until the oven has cooled. You can then simply wipe up the ash with a soft cloth. Ovens with a catalytic cleaning function can be identified by their porous interior walls that are rough to the touch like sandpaper. This is so they can absorb fat and grease from the oven. To clean, remove the oven accessories and shelf supports, and then wipe the cavity with a soft cloth, warm water and a specialist oven cleaner. But be sure not to use any abrasive products or apply any cleaner to the catalytic liners themselves. Set the oven to the catalytic cleaning function and leave it to self-clean for about an hour. Once cool, wipe out the debris from the base of the oven. AEG ovens have an anti-fingerprint coating to reduce the need for wiping down. But if you do want to give the outside of your oven a refresh, or you prefer to clean the cavity manually, then you'll find specialist oven cleaning solutions on the AEG website. This includes an oven and microwave cleaning spray and a stainless steel spray. If you want to remove the oven door, open it fully, release the metal levers, then close the door to its first hold position. You can then carefully slide it off the hinges. To clean the glass, place the door onto a soft cloth and, holding the trim on both sides, push the buttons to release the trim. You can then remove the panels one by one. Clean the panels with a specialist oven cleaning spray and then dry them with a soft cloth. When replacing the panels, line the glass up with the guides in the frame and make sure the panels are secure and flush. Then push the trim back into place. To replace the door, slide it back onto the hinges. Open it fully. Push the levers to their lock position and then close. When it comes to cleaning oven accessories, the shelf supports, shelves and trays can all be washed in the dishwasher. However, we recommend washing telescopic runners and the food sensor by hand as they are more sensitive. You'll find additional information on cleaning and maintaining your oven in the user manual. Or if you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.